Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So we do have interest rate coming out today for the US dollar. Definitely going to be a very, very big news event for all the dollar pairs, and I will be live streaming for that news event. So definitely make sure you hit that notification bell and stop back in later on today for that live stream for the US dollar interest rate news. So anyways, I am definitely still a big believer that this is going to make a higher low and either go up and make a wave C of an expanding flat or possibly a wave 3 of a running flat. Either way, I think it's going to go up, maybe take out these highs, maybe not, maybe just go up to the 100%. Either way, I still think we have a big move to the upside due. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this first push up as a wave 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2. I think that would make this a wave 1 of 3 and this right here a wave 2 of 3. Whether or not the wave 2 is over, I guess is debatable. I think today's news should help confirm whether the wave 2 is over or not. And I still think eventually it is going to go up and make that big wave 3. So on the daily time frame, I still think that this big push up is a 1. I still think this is a running leading diagonal wave A. I think this is a wave B. I think this is all a wave C. And to me, this looks pretty impulsive up, which makes me think that this move down is very likely to make a higher low, higher low. I think this is either going to go up for an ABC correction, which is definitely possible. And if it is an ABC, then it definitely will turn back down. Or possibly it really is a 1, 2, 3, and this really is the bottom right here, and it really is going to start that big wave 3 uptrend like I was showing on the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this is definitely an uptrend as you can see. I would call it either a wave A or a wave 1. I think that this move up right here is probably not over. I think it's going more than likely going to go down again, probably take out the low. Then if it gets a second reaction and makes a nice big impulsive move to the upside, then that would be my entry to go long for either the end of a wave B or possibly the end of a wave 2. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I was originally thinking this was going to be a wave 4, this move up that we're currently seeing. It looks almost too strong to be a wave 4, but I think it still is very likely a wave forward. I think it very likely is going to go down at least one more time for a wave 5, or possibly this actually is a wave A, and that we're actually in a wave B already, and it's going to go down at the news later on for a wave C, and then do a reversal and go end either a wave B or a wave 2, and go up for either a wave 3 or a wave C, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.